So how many people have used Flipkart here? Oh, quite a lot. Okay. How did you find the service? I mean, how many people were satisfied with the service?
Fastest delivery.
Okay, cool. Okay, we can take that offline. Right. So basically, speakers that came in before me in the morning, they have said everything very well about starting up, about what to focus on, and what are the challenges that you face. And yeah, so most of the things that I will say will probably echo one of them. So basically here's our story. So we started in 2007. Before that, we were working as software engineers. Myself and my partner, both of us were working as software engineers in Bangalore. I was with Amazon.com for about a year and a half before I started. Binny was with Amazon for about 9 months before he started. So before that also we were batchmates from IIT Delhi, 2005 batch. So this is how we started. So we were actually, when we were working with Amazon, we got bored. This is the story with other software engineers also, right? So most of them, so mostly, so we got about thinking of starting something on our own, and we basically initially started thinking about starting up a comparison shopping engine. So we were interested in e-commerce domain in India, but we didn't really want to do all the dirty work around packing and shipping of books or handling of operations and all that, right? So we were basically software engineers. We knew how to write software. So we thought about, okay, let's start a comparison shopping engine. It's simple. You just sit at home. You write your code. You crawl other websites, compare their prices. People come on the website and basically buy. So when we actually started looking into the e-commerce domain, we found that there were not many good players in India at that time. So we saw an opening over there. We found that probably a comparison shopping is not what the market needs right now. The market really needs a good e-commerce website. So we basically asked ourselves the question, okay, can two people working from home, can they compete with bigger players? So basically we did some market research around it. We talked to a few vendors. We looked at the current e-commerce players, how much revenues they were generating, what is the potential, all that. We basically found that the answer is yes, that two people working from home can actually compete with bigger players. Because the problems that the bigger players were facing were really basic. The problems that they had were around technology, around service, which was basically, which we thought were like very, very simple problems. And technology was something that we were good with. And that the service was the only part where we thought, if we can make a difference over there, we can probably compete with them. So basically we started out, and what we found is that we were able to provide a better service than as compared to others, and that was only because of the focus on the customer, which I think the other players were not doing at that time and still are not doing. So we started out in 2007. We faced a lot of issues when we started out, which were around getting payment gateways, which we initially assumed was going to be easy to do. Then a lot of issues around trust. So how can anybody trust a new company which is coming in with their money, right? So that was a big thing when we started out. So we tried to work around them. We tried to give them a better interface. We tried to build some brand, try to put the brand out in the market. So that kind of thing we did. So today we are about, we started as two people working from home in 2007. In 2008 end, we were about 5 people. working from a 2 BHK. That was not our home. And then by end of 2009, we were about 100 people company with 3 offices in India. So today we are doing about. Today we have revenues of about. We are currently number 1 in India in terms of online sales of books. We are currently we are targeting much bigger numbers next year also. So we raised VC funding recently also. Last year we raised 1 round of VC funding. Right. So this is our story.